In front of me is Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Now you need to scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock, and then select Screen Lock. Following that, tap on one of those login methods you wanna apply. I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security, just a swiping animation. So if I were you, I would go with pattern, pin or password. Now it's time to create it. And if you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. Now choose next at the bottom right one. Repeat it to confirm it and hit confirm. Then adjust lock screen notifications by clicking on one of those options to answer this question. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided when you finished, hit done. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on, and swipe up, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!